Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so today is going to be a continuation of yesterday's video, aka getting the ls3 done. So no need to explain what I'm doing. Heading out to Santa Rosa and we're working on the ls3. So let's just get out there and jump into today. But before we head to Santa Rosa, I have a bunch of stickers that I need to send out. These are from my last giveaway. So if you entered that giveaway, your sticker is going out now. We just getting out here to Santa Rosa. My twinner Lawrence from Texas out here. Usually when he comes, you get to see some pretty cool shit. Like everybody waits for him to come out here to tune a lot of their cars, but seeing this when I was rolling up, that shit looks sick as sick. Looks nice, bro.
Thanks, man.
Looks clean. Nice little drift setup. So he's running the same turbo that that I went and picked up for the SE. Remember, I picked up a S362 SXE, and he said stock block, stock head, just under 700. It's like 680 somewhere around there.
We'll find out right now.
But yeah, pretty.
It was at like 630 right now, so I go right around that 680 right now.
This thing making good power. 630 at 20 pounds right now. Stock block, stock head, 20 pounds. It's pretty legit. So this is about to be the last pull right here. So Lawrence got this next up tune. They're getting ready to get started. Oh, got caught. So yeah, going back together now. Intake manifold on. Finally got the fuel row. Got to get the new injectors and everything on here. But it is going back together. So this fool's trying to argue with me about my brake clearances.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm telling this fool they don't rub, so it don't touch.
Let's pull out the filler, you know.
What size is that?
That's 0.04 millimeters.
Look, clearance, baby.
Okay,
clearance.
okay.
What I, nigga? It don't touch.
0.08.
It don't touch. Exactly. Still don't touch.
Let me get that right angle right there, right? Getting snug.
It don't touch though. It don't matter. That ain't gonna expand hella far, aluminum or not. Look at that. Look at that clearance. Molded. Hella molded.
This motherfucker.
That good clearance, baby.
Nah. Wait till you stomp on them brakes and the muff grow a little bit.
Bruh.
Grow just a little bit.
It's still going in there.
It's going, but it's it's getting tight.
You reaching, big reaching.
Nigga, this motherfucker.
You reaching like Dawson right now. Like,
that's close. That's close, man. Your fucking spark plug gap thicker than that.
Yeah, it's a spark plug. It's clearing up to 0.8. All the way up to 0.8 is good.
We gonna see where it don't go though. That's like 3 hairs.
Hey, it clear. Look, powder coat still on there.
No, that shit got rubbed off a little bit. You can see it right there.
I had other brakes on here that didn't clear.
Oh, that's it?
That's from, look at that, still clearing. Come on, bro, stop reaching. Your experiment failed.
No, let's throw some real shit in there.
And you act like these are staying on here.
They coming off.
The Workmeister's going on here. Look.
Oh, that going.
There you go. Now what size is that?
That ain't going. That's .88. That's not even 1 millimeter.
It don't matter. We don't need 1 millimeter.
This boy got less than 1 millimeter of space between them wheels and them calipers.
But is it rubbing though?
Not yet.
It don't matter. Like I said, I got extra wheels for it. Stop touching shit. Back up. Over here trying to sabotage me.
How can I sabotage it?
Cause you over here trying to loosen up.
How can I loosen up stuff? This shit on tight, right?
You ain't got no waves under there.
Sure as fuck don't.
Wave check, nigga. You know the wave check routine. Stop touching shit. Like a little kid in the candy store.
Hell yeah, nigga, let's see what's loose.
Ain't nothing loose.
Let's see what's loose in this hoe. Ain't nothing loose?
Ain't nothing loose. All right, what's good? Today is day 3. As you can see, on day 2, we didn't really get nothing done. And yeah, it became kind of annoying because it shouldn't take this long. So today is the 3rd day of this whole thing, and we should hopefully have it all started up today. I got a little Nos with me. Nos, come say what's up. They ain't seen you in a minute. So yeah, I got this fool with me, and we're about to be here. Hopefully today this should start up. Like my patience is running very, very, very thin with this. Like it should have been started, it should have been running already. So today is like the last day that I'm giving it. So again, my tuner out here from Texas, and he's tuning another car. This is an Auto Supra. This car is probably gonna make probably 11, 12, 13, something like that. I think the highest this car's made previously was 1,300, the dude said, through an auto. So I guess now he's just going back for, he said, whatever, over 1,000. It's pretty windy, so hopefully this doesn't sound funny, but this thing sounds extremely good. Like, it doesn't sound like a 2J. This thing is nice twin turbo setup. You can see he got the meaties back there. Nice, nice. I'm gonna get y'all a sound clip of this thing. This thing sounds dope as hell. Like, it has a very unique sound to it. Like, it doesn't really sound like a 2J, surprisingly, but I'm guessing that's because of the twin turbo setup and probably how the manifold is designed, and it just changes the sound hella much. Clean Supra. Shit's gonna be nasty. Come on, let's go. Come on, this way. All right, time to top this thing off with fluids, and then we're gonna attempt to start it up for the first time with the new motor, or with the built motor, I should say. What is this? These imaginary tandems? Man, you was looking for this tandem like you was the one chasing. Nobody cares about who's chasing you.
No, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
I'm washed up, bro.
Kyle, do you care about people chasing you, or do you care about when you're chasing somebody, right?
It's
I
sick.
think they're both.
Nah.
Because if you don't put a good leader on, they can't follow you good.
Nah, you want to be the one chasing. You be like, I was on his shit. You can't brag about somebody being on your shit.
Bro, I was getting it.
Nah. Here we go, baby. Gotta prime it and first start. Don't look like I'm gonna be throwing jacks and jack stands and flipping toolboxes today. Prime time. Hella loud. It sounds hella louder than what it was before, huh? It was unbolted last time. Yeah.
You're higher compression now, right?
Yeah, it has slightly higher compression. Next on the list, since this thing has new injectors in it, Kyle's gonna be scaling the injectors down because we are planning on throwing this on the dyno and getting it tuned tomorrow. So yeah, he's just about to be doing like a little of the pre-tuning stuff, cleaning it up and getting it to idle and and just like that, calibrated and idling. Nas, where you going, fool? Hey, get over here. Sounds nice and smooth now though. Remember before, that's idling all over the place. Idling all good now. Idling hella smooth. No more idling issues. Bro, this sounds a bajillion times better than what it did before. Hella smooth now. No more idling issues.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.